Let them be your ship captain's mother. Let them chase that ocean gray, and in the red dawn of a waiting storm, let them cast their lives away. Apple blossoms in your leaves, black crows sitting on a walnut tree. Blackberries in the early fall ladder across the old stone wall. There's a new moon at the window, the moonbeams on the floor. Play so quick, you walk in shoes, you ain't got no time to lose. Don't come round here no more. Ragweed up on Mandrake Hill, morning dew on the moonshine still. Crabtree fiddle with broken bow, coon cat crying in the April snow. There's a trail through Rusty's Hollow a bloodhound couldn't track. Turn your face to the rising sun, it's time for you to cut and run. Think the devil's at your back. Be your foot soldier's mother. Let them heed that bugle call, and on the cold ground of a foreign shore, let them rise only to fall. Let's go walking to the dawn. It's barely morning, but I can feel the break of day. Nothing safe can stay. It's that West Virginia heat. It creeps in quiet, and then it knocks you off your feet, till the rain comes cool and sweet. I saw the sky fall down upon Old Briar Hill. Children left their games, but no more fancy to roam. When the hollow tree. A rope they tied to its lowest branch. When they set my John's soul free, the wind blew cold and the people moaned when they cut his body down. I'm just waiting for the next train through to take me from this town. And a man will ramble. What's a girl to do? And a man will sing, Johnny, how true to you. Hinu, eho, hiru vio, horo hiho, horo ho, eho, hiru vi. There's a place I know between the water and the sky, where the clouds hang low upon the waves, the osprey wheels and cries. They called him Marin, he brought her from the sea, a diamond from the deepest ocean, his bride to be. Pointer to the North Star, if you're too tired to steer, the crowning glory of the night is bound to disappear. You fish the harbors, the windy broken shores. You fish the deepest water far from shore, turn the waves to gold. Give me your daughter, and I will fish no more. Give me a silky wife to warm my bed, I'll take my nets to shore. Pointer to the North Star, if you're too tired to steer, the crowning glory of the night is bound to disappear. Looks like I've done it again, taken twice what's mine, sleeping through the winter, waiting for the sun to shine. Gather up the sugar buckets, don't waste a drop. You're filling up my heart, spilling all the top. No, lay down, I wanna be the summer sun, and ever thick as honey till the light leaves and evening comes. June day, a tumble in the summer grasses, sweeter than the autumn hay. If I was resurrected, I don't think I'd waste my time leading souls up to the starry gates. My kingdom waits, let the angels lead the line. I wouldn't walk on water, that old parlor trick's been done before. Wait until the stars shine o'er the maples and the moonbeams light a staircase from the shore. Punish me, my Father, send your famine, send your plague. Still waiting for the second coming, for the flood to cool the fire in my veins. With a northern speech in it, she dyed her skirts a harlot's red, more dandelion leaves in her hair. They all turned to watch her pass with her Maggie surreal sachet, when she danced in the August sun in the cornfields near Potter's Bay. Say you're weary, say you've been warned of love from the cold northern plain. Keep a watch of your husbands, beware of the passion of Nora O'Kane. She loved with the strength of a summer storm, led many a true heart astray, cried as fierce as the wind in the eaves when the love that she snatched stole away. They called her brazen, they called her slut, put poison wood vines at her gate. She tied them up with a ribbon so red, made wreaths of their venom and their hate. Say you're weary, say you've been warned of love from the cold northern plain. Keep a watch of your husbands, beware of the passion of Nora O'Kane.
She's gonna now in en jay. Gorni sa forum fakoje, skoje. Van druskans kringen shade. Vikie, stuurt me naar geen. Oh, fertigen, rachamitchias. Rachamitchias, hookamitchias. Oh, fertigen, rachamitchias. Gorni sa now in leeg. Nor Jaime, she is gonna now in NJ. Gorni sa folam, fakoje is cold. Lees is grün and shade. Vikie, stuurt me naar geen. Oh, Arichen, rachamitchias. Rachamitchias, hookamitchias. Oh, Arichen, rachamitchias. Gorni sa now in leeg.
farthest stop from home. A stack of letters in a carpet bag was all she called her own. She came knocking on our front door as the storm began. That summer I was still the boy who dreamed of loving like a man. Her memory haunts me, and I just can't shake her free. It's summer in Raleigh and Virginia, walking through my dreams. I think I loved you once. I think I slept through your goodbye. But melancholy only lasts so long. You can't find the strength to cry. We held the world off for a little while, painted life in white and gold. It's hard to remember when the fog rolls in. The distance takes its toll. Build me a ladder to the northern lights, so I can watch them from the sky. Promise the air won't lose its winter still. The dusk will pass me by. Someday we'll get out of here, move up north, take life slow. You won't have to get up for work when the morning whistle blows. Though my heart lies in these old hills, it is yours now, yours no. Dust the day off, forget your cares, and find your way back home. In those summer evenings when gold light calls you home, the sound of your boots on my step, it's like my own Casey Jones whistle. Them be your ship captain's mother. Let them chase that ocean gray, and in the red dawn of a waiting storm, let them cast their lives away. Let them be your foot soldier's mother. Let them hear that bugle call on the cold ground of a foreign shore. Let them rise only to fall. the Atlantic Ocean, Bantry Bay, 1829. At Dunmore had I heard the west wind call. I left my home behind. Deep in Wyoming, I laid me down at a mountain space. They say that jet black hole, the oil well, be my final resting place. It's a cold wind that blows through Casper, sets a troubled mind to flirt. If I could break free of these chains, I'd be home by morning's light. Night comes dropping slow, we can't wait to lay our troubles down. Watch that pale-faced western moon rise high past the bottom round. The cold wind that blows through Casper sets a troubled mind to flight. If I could break free of these chains, I'd be home by morning's light. Girlie, eho, hurdy, oh, girl that out a nit nil, eho, hurdy, oh, me do love me down, eho, hurdy, oh, me good beer luck bean, eho. And I've been walking in my sleep, counting troubles instead of counting sheep. Where the years went, I can't say. I just turned around and they've gone away. I've been sifting through the layers of dusty books and faded papers. Tell the story I used to know, and it was one that happened so long ago. It's gone away.